Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's videos we're going to unbox another smartwatch from Vastking. This is the Fit M3. Let's go. Hi guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video guys is we have here the Fit M3 smartwatch, which is sent to us by Vastking. And if you want to check this product, on the link on the description box. And you can get this one guys for around $49.99, and you can get this in black and in pink. Alright guys, so here are the specifications of our Vastking M3. So this is it has step counting functions, sleep monitor, sports record, heart rate, calorie monitor, blood oxygen, weather query, and music control. It has 1.65-inch IPS display and 240 by 295 HD resolution, and it also has real-time data, and it has IP68 certified waterproof technology and oxygen level. Alright, so now guys, let's open our Vastking Fit M3. Alright, so here is the box guys. So in the middle you can see there the Vastking Fit M3, and it has the Fit M3 smartwatch branding on the lower right, and on the sides we've got the Vastking Fit M3 smartwatch branding, and on top it has Vastking branding as well, and at the back so you have here the quick specifications. Alright, so let's open this one. Alright, so upon opening guys, you can see there our Vastking Fit M3 smartwatch. So let's take this one out. So let's remove this one. Okay, so let's set this one aside first, and let's see what's more in the box. Okay, we have here our charger, so it is like more like of a dock style, and we also have here our Fit M3 smartwatch instructions and our manual. So it is very clear guys. Okay, so it's in English and also in another language. Okay, and we have here a card, so it says there 1 year free extended warranty, so you can register online through this QR code, right? And they have also the support online at vastking.com. Okay, it has also Facebook page at Vastking, Instagram, and also their official YouTube channel, which is Vastking Official. Alright, so it's nice. So now let's look at our Fit M3 smartwatch. So let's try to look at the parts. So we have here the screen guys. Alright, and it looks really nice. And at the back, so we have here our charging pins and our sensors here. Okay, so we have here our strap, which is very comfortable, yes, and it has latch here, so you can easily remove it to replace the strap. Okay, so now let's turn it on. On looking at the watch guys, so it is really feels premium. It's quite heavy because of the frame, it's full metal. Okay, and as you can see guys, here is the home screen of our Fit M3. So you have this one here, the time, the auto saturation, heart rate, and calorie. So it's the screen guys is quite big, yes, as you can see there. So the bezels are not that thick, yes. So let's try to scroll down guys. Okay, so you have here the shortcut. Okay, so you have here the shortcut for your watch face, and we also have here the shortcut for brightness and the do not disturb mode as well, vibration and flashlight. It has also timer and remote camera control, the weather, and the settings. Okay, when you try to scroll up, then you will have here the messages that you will be notified once it is connected to your smartphone. And when you scroll to the left, then it will give you the shortcut for the steps, sleep, heart rate, and SpO2. Yes. Now let's scroll to the right. then you will have, or you can see the different applications that we have. So first we have steps. Okay, all right, and then we also have here the sleep monitoring, so you can see if you how many hours you have for light sleep and deep sleep. Okay, and we also have here our heart rate. So as you can see, we have here click to measure. So as you can see, the sensors are lighting up. Guys, if you are not really wearing the watch, then it will give you a notification. It says please wear properly and try again. So let's try our heart rate. So this is nice, guys, because it will really know that you are not wearing the watch. So okay, now let's click to measure. Okay guys, so at the moment our heart rate is 86 beats per minute. Okay, now we have here sports mode, so it has walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, and swimming. And then we also have here the kind of style that you want. So you have hive or list style. Okay, and then we also have here O2 or oxygen, blood oxygen level. So this is really nice, guys, especially this time. So let's tap here, click measure. So okay, so it also says, guys, we are not wearing the watch, so we have to properly wear it. So this is nice because it has the oxygen levels. But guys, just a reminder, this is only for reference. If you have any medical condition, you really have to use the approved equipment for O2 saturation. Let's try, guys, our O2 measurement. So let's click measure. So as you can see, the sensors are lighting up. Okay guys, so our O2 is 97%, so it's not bad at all. Alright, and then we also have here weather, so you need to check this one or sync this one to your smartwatch. We also have here messages and the remote camera control. Alright, we also have here music control, and here is breathing. Yes, so focus on your breath. So it's a breathe in, so it will let you breathe in, breathe out for 8 times. So this is nice, guys, especially this time that maybe many people are quite anxious. So that is really a good thing. Okay, and we also have here the alarm clock, so you can set it also, and timer. Okay, and we also have here stopwatch and flashlight. We also have here the find your phone. Okay, and our watch faces. So guys, let's check how many watch faces does our Fit M3 smartwatch has. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 5 watch faces. Okay, so now let's have here the settings. So let's try to look at the settings. So we have here brightness and the mute, do not disturb mode, and theater. So theater mode on will turn off vibration and reduce brightness. We also have here the style, the menu, okay, reset, power off, and the QR code for our application. And we also have here about, so it says there Vastking Fit M3. All right, I've actually used this one for 2 weeks, and all I can say is that this watch is really durable. It can really last for a long time for the battery. Yes, as long as you don't connect this one to your smartphone, can actually drain the battery fast. Alright, but if you just have this one in standby mode, then you can use this one for a week. Yes. Alright, and design, guys, it's really nice. Yes, and the build, it's really premium. And when you wear it, so it it's really compact. If you have any questions, guys, for this smartwatch, just comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials and more unboxing of smartwatches, affordable smartwatches in the market. Alright, so once again, guys, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.